Hey, so if you want to collect responses automatically and organize them in one place, yeah, connecting Google Forms to Google Sheets is one of the most powerful workflows you can use. In this guide, I'll show you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Forms and create a new form or use an existing one. Add questions like name, email, feedback, or survey answers. Now click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. Click the green Sheets icon to connect your form to a spreadsheet. Choose Create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Once connected, every new response automatically appears in Google Sheets. Use filters, sorting, and formatting to organize responses easily. You can use charts or pivot tables to analyze form results. Share the spreadsheet with your team for real-time collaboration. Any new form responses will continue syncing automatically without extra setup. And yeah, that's it. That's how you connect Google Forms to Google Sheets and automate data collection in 2026.